internet, it's Sammie, and for this week's video, I'm going to teach you how to do the new trend on TikTok. If you guys don't know what it is, then keep on watching. So it's a pretty easy trend, actually. I actually thought it was going to be really hard to edit, but once I started editing that video, it was actually really easy, and I didn't think that it would really be that short of an editing. So a lot of people have been asking me to do a tutorial on this, so I decided to make a YouTube video about it. Before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that notification bell or that notification box when I post every Wednesday. Now let's get on to the video. I'm sorry if I won't be looking at the camera, by the way. I mean my phone, because I have to edit it. Before you open Video Star, make sure you save the sound or the video of the sound that you're gonna be using. And I already filmed yesterday, so I'm just gonna use the same video that I used for, or the one that you saw earlier. So back to Video Star, you're gonna click the plus sign, and then make sure you have like different options up here. Make sure it's on the portrait option, and then you're gonna hit select song, and then down here you have free songs, artists, playlists, and videos. So you're gonna click on videos, and then you're just gonna it's gonna go to your camera roll, and then you're gonna click on the one that you use. Okay. And then you're gonna click on import video, and then you're just gonna import the video and import. So that's processing. Takes quite a while. Slow-mo video up on here. You are gonna want to split different sections of the video. Okay, so in that part, you're gonna click edit and split scene, and then you're gonna click split. So you have this first part, and then you're gonna click new, re-effect clip, and then you are going to go to the plus sign. By the way, I think this is a paid feature, so you're gonna have to pay for it. You're gonna click the search button, and then you're gonna look for, I forgot what it's called, so I'm just gonna go to the 6 squares kind of image icon thing, and then you're gonna look for narrow screen. That's what it is. And then you're gonna set it to like the lowest or none, and then you're gonna click re-effect, and then you have this button on the side of your screen, and that's what you are gonna use to control the screen thing. There. So let's see what it looks like. Okay, now you're gonna split the second section of the song, which is the sliding thing. Okay, so that part, and then edit, and then split scene, split, and then new, re-effect clip, and then you're gonna use the search thing icon, and then you're gonna look for slides. So see, it slides. That's what you're gonna use. Oops. You gotta make this quick because it's like a quick kind of thing, and with Video Star you can't really edit anything or like redo anything. So you're gonna have to do this quickly. Oh no! That's what I'm talking about, see? You have to do it quickly.
I tried to make the screen recording and the video in sync as much as I can, but obviously I didn't do that because as I was filming the video, I thought I was screen recording the whole thing, but apparently not. Thanks, Video Star.
Now you're gonna split the third section of your video, which is the sphere ball thing. So, okay, edit, split scene, split, and then new reeffect clip, and then the plus sign again, and then the search icon, and then you're gonna look for a sphere. This is the one. So small again. It's really that simple. You just have to be really fast. And then for slow-mo, obviously do anything, which is your fourth section of your video. I am gonna go to the plus sign, and then I'm gonna go to this paintbrush thing. But before that, I'm gonna do earthquake. So earthquake is also a paid feature. So repeat that. Earthquake, new reeffect clip, and then I'm gonna do the bad VTR. Bad VTR hold. So the part that it goes down, this part, when it goes down, I'm just gonna split this part. Like new edit, and then split. This part, when it goes down, I'm gonna make it the colored one. So I'm gonna go to this paintbrush, and then I am by the way, my video star, everything is paid, so I can use all the features on here. So I'm just gonna use the multi-tint one. So let's go. Nice. So to put that all together, you're gonna click on edit, merge scenes, and then this little button over here, you're gonna move it to the very start, so set start, and then move it to the very end, and then set end, and then you're gonna hit on merge. So your entire video looks like this. And then you're just gonna click on X, and then you're gonna hit on this arrow thing over here and send it to camera roll. So once you're done editing, this is what it looks like. That's about it. See, it's really easy. If you guys want me to do more TikTok tutorials on like the new trends and stuff on the app, comment them down below and I'll try my best to do them. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell or that notification box. I'm going to post every Wednesday. Now I'll see you guys with another new video on Wednesday. Bye!